Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and contact Clearpay UK. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your Clearpay on your browser. So afterwards you're gonna go on the top in the searching bar, as I have typed in help.clearpay.co.uk. you're gonna type it in and get into the official website of Clearpay help support. Here in this section you're going to find this kind of interface which includes what can we help with today. If you're a customer, you're going to go ahead and type I'm a customer, or merchant help has moved, etc. That is the topic. Or you can simply go ahead, type in the search bar and type in the keyword that you need help with. You will find the help articles and you can simply check out how you can solve it. Other thing, if you would like to contact directly to them, tap on this get in touch given below, and now you're going to choose a title for you. Simply go ahead, choose one. Let's say I need help with the refund and return. You're gonna enter your email address and receive your purchase number, order, and this is for that particular specific problem, and enter your information as it has asked over here. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and tap on submit. Once you have done so, you will be able to submit them the report regarding your issue, and they will get back to you with the email address that you have added for the further step, how you can solve it, how they're gonna be in touch with you and help you solve the particular problem or concern of yours. That is how you can contact them. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.